coffee is cold, the city is gray. I watch the last light fade away. The rain on the sand, it washes the pain, but nothing will ever be the same. I'm packing the ghosts, the smiles and the tears, leaving behind all of these years. The clock on the wall, it ticks so slow. It's time to face what we both know. Au revoir. This is the last train, the final goodbye. Under the dark, indifferent sky, we had it all, but we let it fall. Now I'm just a shadow standing tall. Adieu, my love, the dream is dead. The place we first met is closed for the night, but I